Hello, you are welcome to solve this math problem. 4 raised to power a multiplied by 4 raised to power a is equal to 80. Solution. Here we have 4 raised to power a multiplied by 4 raised to power a is equal to 80. Then 4 raised to power a is common. Let's bring it. Okay. If you have a raised to power m multiplied by a raised to power n, this is equal to a raised to power m plus n. Then this can be written as 4 raised to power a plus a is equal to 80. Then this is 4 raised to power 2a is equal to 80. Let us take the log on both sides of this equation. Log 4 raised to power 2a is equal to log 80. Now if you have log m raised to power n, this is equal to n log m. Here we have 2a log 4 is equal to log 80. Now let us divide both sides of this equation by log 4. This divided by log 4 and this divided by log 4. Log 4 cancel log 4. 2a is equal to log 80 divided by log 4. Note 80 is equal to 4 multiplied by 4 multiplied by 5. Then 2a is equal to log 4 multiplied by 4 multiplied by 5 divided by log 4. If you have log AB, this is equal to log A plus log B. 2A is equal to log 4 plus log 4 plus log 5 over log 4. 2A is equal to, here is log 4 over log 4 plus log 4 over log 4 plus log 5 over log 4. This cancel this and this cancel this. 2a is equal to 1 plus 1 plus log 5 over log 4. 2a is equal to 2 plus the whole of this can be written as log 5 base 4. But we are looking for the value of a. We need to divide the whole of this equation by 2. Then here is 2a divided by 2 is equal to 2 plus log 5 base 4 divided by